No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add words to your cinematics in Sharefactory, just like this one, which was taken from my recent montage that was uploaded a couple of weeks ago. And this was requested by Brawler Pete, who wanted to learn how to make that exact effect on Sharefactory, so this is going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need is a gameplay clip which has a wall of some kind nearby that you can rotate to look at and then rotate back from. So I'm going to show you that again. It's slightly faster. So what you want to do is just have a clip nearby a wall like that. Okay, once you've done that, you can then go into, obviously you need to have recorded it, and then you can go into your careers and into your replays to get it. So we're going along to careers, click on replays, and we want to jump in the replays to then be able to do the actual rotation effect. So we're going to merge the two together, the original clip and then the actual camera effects that we're going to do in replays now. So you just want to jump into replays, get in there. Once you get there, you go all the way through until you find the clip that you're looking for. So we've got this one here. I'm just going to let you see this in real time just so you can see what the actual clip was. So it's just a jump shotgun there, and then what we're going to do is play it again, but this time we're going to pause it just a few frames before the actual shot happens, and then try to maybe remember how this screen looks as a gameplay image, because we're going to change it now by using the right hand stick. We're going to change the camera angle until it's on drone free. Okay, that allows us to then move the camera wherever we want it. But if you took a picture of how the gameplay bit looked, we're then trying to match that with drone free. Then you can push the square or circle button to change the speed of the camera. So you want it at a reasonable speed but able to control it, and also your L1 and R1 to zoom in and out as you want to. Once you've done that, you can push the left stick to get rid of all the text on the screen, and then you double tap the share button on the controller to then start recording, and there you go, the symbol comes up to say that it's recording. Then you rotate to the side so you can see the wall that you want to put the writing on, and we're going to put it on that wall right behind the characters there. So we're going to do this a couple of times because it is a bit tricky, and this is a bit of an awkward angle, so I'm having to rotate slightly up as well as across and back. So play about with it, do as many takes as you need to, and then you can just pick the best one, and then double tap the share button, and there you go, video clip saved, capture gallery. So we are done in replays. We can leave replays and go into Sharefactory, and then we start a new project and get rid of all these ticks, and then go to most recent, and we want to add the clip. So this is the original clip which has just the gameplay, and then what we're going to do is let that play through until we're just about to take the shot. And just before we take the shot, we then want to split the clip, so we push the square button and then we split the clip from there. So split and then press cross to confirm and confirm the split clip. Inside this clip is where we're going to add the camera effects that we've just recorded. Okay, so what we need to do is push the cross button and add clip, and then find the camera effects that we just recorded, which is this one here. Push the cross button and then square to add it. Okay, and then what we're going to do is play that through slightly. We're using the D-pad to rotate it by frame to make it easier. And what we want to do is once it rotates, we're going to choose this second part because remember we recorded two. We're going to use the second one, so that seems slightly better. So just before it starts to move, I'm going to split the clip. So we move using the D-pad just to get it just before it's about to move, and then we can push the square button and split the clip. And then once we've confirmed the split, we can delete this bit before, we don't need that. And then we're going to let it play through a little bit using the D-pad again until the rotation stops, and then we split the clip at that point as well. And then we keep it going again until it's just about to start moving back to its original position. And so we just use the D-pad again, just keep moving it. Once it's about to start to move again, then we can split the clip. Okay, and then we keep on going through until it gets to the end of the clip where we're roughly where we started on the gameplay view. Okay, so we have it about here. We push the cross button once we're ready to, we push the square button once we're ready to split the clip, and then this extra bit afterwards, we don't need it. Okay, so that has the beginning gameplay, then all the camera effects, and then the end gameplay. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so this is what it is looking like in real time. That pause in the middle is where we're going to put the writing, and the rest will be just rotated. So the little bit where the camera effect, the first camera effect is here, we're going to speed that up. So we're going to push the square button and go to time bender and go to ×2. And what we want to do is go to ×2 smooth, because that makes a smoother transition or smoother effect when it is uploaded. And then just push cross to confirm, and then that is times 2 the speed, and it's smooth. Okay, so that's sped that up. Then we do the second to do it again to the rotation at the end as well. Okay, and again smooth. So that means that the middle bit is going to be normal time, and that's where we're going to add the text. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Absolutely fine. Okay, so now we can go to the middle bit and we can add the text. So we push the cross button when we're on that middle section, go to add overlay, and you can add whatever text you want. So it could be, please like this video, please subscribe, please comment, whatever you want to put really. So I'm just going to put please subscribe, and I'm just going to transform that. I'm going to rush through a lot of this because I'm presuming you know how to add text, but we want it to be for the whole of the duration of this clip as well. So we're going to move it so it starts and finishes when the clip starts and finishes. Change the color to whatever you want. I'm just going to choose blue, and then we can carry on with that. We could add some text effects if you want to. What you don't want to do is have it blend in into the background too much, so play about with that how you want it. I was going to do a fade in and fade out, but I think it's better to leave that, so we're not going to bother with that. Now I'm going to add the second word, which is subscribe, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. So now we've added both the words, and there it is. And it didn't quite start on time actually, it's one of them started after the other, so I'll change that. Once you've done it and you're happy, you export it to gallery by pushing options and click on export to gallery, and then we go to share later. Once we've done that, we can save the project and exit, and we want to start a new project. Okay, new project, and then we want to add what we've just exported, which is putting all the clips together as one clip, which is going to make it easier to do the next step as well. Okay, so we're going to add that clip, and then we've got this, and you'll see that it's all merged into one clip ready for us to play about with. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the point where it's just about to start the camera effect. Okay, so move it using the D-pad until the camera effect is just about to start, and then we want to split the screen, so, or split the clip. So it's about here, so move back, so it's just about to start, push the square button, and then we want to split the clip, and then we'll just confirm the split the clip there. Once we've done that, we let it play through again until the whole animation, or sorry, the whole camera effect is about to finish. So that will be about here, about there you go, and then we split the clip again. Okay, so we ended up with that section in the middle again, and what we want to do is speed that bit up, so time bender and double the speed again. Okay, and then remember to do the smooth as well. Yeah, we want that as a smooth gameplay, so it just makes it a nicer finish. Now you don't actually see the finish until it's actually exported, strangely, but it does make it a lot smoother. Okay, once we've done that, we can push options and export to gallery again, which makes it one whole clip again, and then we'll show you what that looks like from there. Okay, so we're going to export, start a new project. I'm going to do this really quickly because you know how to do this. Get rid of all the ticks, most recent, find the clip, and then go to the clip, and then we play that through, and you'll see what that looks like now. Which I think, I don't know about you, I think that looks quite effective. So that's really useful and really good there. You do have another option, depending on how you want this to be, or if you're going to use it as a montage, you might want to make it even faster. Okay, if you've got fast music, or you've got a faster clip or section of music that you want to play it. So what you can do is repeat that process that we've just done, where you speed it up again by splitting the clip and speeding it up again. So you can absolutely do that, absolutely fine, not a worry. So let's just go into splitting the clip there again. I'm just going to fast forward this bit because it's quite straightforward, and you know what to do with that. Okay, so we just finish off speeding that middle bit up, and then we'll play it through, see what you think. Okay, so that is that. So I hope you found this useful. If you haven't seen the montage yet, do check it out. I'll put the link in the description, and do check out the videos on screen now, or the playlist for Sharefactory, which I'm sure will help you in your Sharefactory journey. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Please like, and please comment below if you found this useful. Thanks very much, and bye.